Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Gurung and today I'll be talking about the memory span concept and the Crow memory span test. And in this test, we're going to be talking about who George Miller was and his famous article on 7 plus or minus 2. And to complete this test, I'm going to be taking help of my two friends who's going to be participating on this test. Okay, so on my left, I have my friend Shuzal, who is also majoring in computer and information science.
That's it.
And on my right, I have my friend Sagun, who is also majoring in computer and information science. And they will be participating in this magic number test. So I'm going to be explaining you guys the rules. The rules are very simple. You guys just have to repeat the numbers, and the other person has to repeat the number said by the previous person. And the first one to get confused with the number is gonna
Five,
One,
1,
one,
57,
57,
281,
281,
1387,
1387,
7893,
7893,
45487,
45487,
618935,
618935,
32100781,
32100781,
78185421,
78185421,
57879344,
57879344,
2781924148.
2781924178.
Your limit is 9.
okay.
Okay. Now me, right?
No.
2,
2,
15,
15,
145,
145,
8763,
8763,
3489,
349,
257304,
257304,
18347902,
18347902,
24790152.
24097152.
Okay, you're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your limit is 7 then.
Okay.
Alright, so that was the cognitive test of my friend, and as you guys can see that from the test it was found that one of my friends had the crow or their memory span of 9, meaning that they can remember 9 digits at a time, and my other friend had the crow or the memory span for 7, meaning he can remember 7 digits at a time. So I'm going to be talking more about George Miller. George Miller was an American psychologist who was also the pioneer and founder of cognitive science, and he wrote an article in 1996 about plus or minus 2 of humans being the cognitive number and at an average of 7. So from this experiment, it was found that the average human can remember a number as plus or minus 7, and they from his paper it was found that humans remember the number in a piece of chunks. So they take the big whole set of numbers, and then they can store 7 numbers at a time in their brain. So from this example, as you can see, my friend Sagun, she could store 7 plus 2, which is like 9 more digits, 2 more digits than my other friend Suzal. So that meaning said that was like that doesn't mean that one friend is like smarter than the other. It just means that it's the capacity that Sagun can hold to store 9 numbers at a time. So that was the whole point of taking this test, and the average number depends based on the numbers a person can remember. And to improve furthermore on this crow test, I would believe it depends on many factors. Even if you are energized or feel drowsiness, your crow varies by just 1 or increases by 1. So I would say improving it just depends more on more practice. Okay. So how can we overcome the crow or the maximum number is using concepts and trying to initialize the use of concept. So there's a relationship between concepts and crows. I'm going to give you guys a simple example. Let's say a child sees different balls, footballs, basketball, tennis ball, but in their mind it's just a single ball. The term ball represents the whole thing to them. So in this way we can take a big chunks of number, and we can find some relationship between the numbers that correlate to each other, and then think them as a one big number and then kind of maximize our crow, and this way we can improve our crow.